What is going on, everybody? Dad Season here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a different video, but it is one that is for the garage update and kind of like, oh, that lighting was awful. Like a garage update, but also kind of like a shop update kind of deal. So obviously we did the C8 here. Car looked great. So in preparation for my C8, I was like, hey, why don't we finish the garage? So right now, we're basically cleaned everything up. Well, we're still cleaning stuff up. I'm running electric, and we have about 2 days to get this done. So, well, actually like 2 nights of me after work. So tonight I'm running all electric. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Home Depot, pick up some insulation, and we're going to pick up some drywall, and then we're gonna get all that stuff rolling. So don't mind all my mess here, but we went ahead and we're gonna put one outlet up here. That's gonna be for the nice TV right there. Put another outlet down there. We're gonna run one there, and then we're gonna put another one there, and I'm gonna put one more behind this makeshift table thing. We already have outlets, like other outlets here, but I wanted to put at least 4 more in to make everything, you know, easier, not extension cords and all that kind of junk. So this is gonna be a very, very, very quick video, but I'm gonna run some more electric. Obviously, like I'm just kind of like just started, kind of getting the eye for it and everything like that. But yeah, we'll get this thing knocked out and I'll show you guys some more in a minute. All right, so we just loaded up 20 pieces of drywall. Got the spackling there. Got 19 rolls of insulation going in the truck and in the back. Propane, got straps. Got the spackle. And then we'll be on our way home, and that's when the fun begins.
So while Caleb was at work, I hung up all of the insulation. So I will show you guys everything I've gotten done so far. We still have a huge mess in the middle of our garage of the drywall that needs to go up, the insulation that we have left over, and stuff that was just against the walls that we need to move elsewhere. I will show you all the insulation that I just put up. So we did this wall last night. And I just finished up a few spots. All of these are just the scrap pieces that I had from, this was a 7-foot wall because of the brick down here. This is an 8-foot wall. So I had a lot of scrap pieces. So I just used those to fill in where it was needed. So over here, then we did over here, the baby slide, and over this way, behind the bench, all the way. It's such a mess. It's over there. I'm not sure where I left off, but wiring ran, insulation in, drywall coming up right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and knock this stuff out and get it going. Ready? So we got our one wall over here all done. Now it's time to go take a lunch break so I can keep my figure.
and then we'll start on the big wall. This wall is not going to be as bad because we have to cut out for like 3 outlets on this wall, and like the workbench and stuff over there, it's mounted in the wall. Where this one we had to cut out for like the window, the beam, we had to cut for everything. So this one should fly by, and also this wall actually was not 8 foot. So if you look at the bottom, you'll see that we have like the block down here. So it was actually 7 foot 4 inches, whereas this wall is 8 foot because there is no block. So this one should go by way faster. And yeah, then we only got one wall left, and then patching up around the garage doors. I'm trying to get this all done today. That way I can spackle tomorrow, paint Sunday, and be ready for the cars to come in on Monday. We're getting a few cars dropped off for ceramic coatings and tint and stuff like that. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy weekend. So much for a holiday weekend. Working. All right, so now we are finishing up on the last piece on this wall, and we're gonna go. We gotta do a little family dinner thing for Thanksgiving, but got all this knocked out in a couple hours, so it's been fun. Someone over here says
he's teaching me his ways.
Says she'd much rather wrap a car than do this, so whatever. So I was really tired this morning, so I actually didn't even feel like recording, but spackling, we are getting it done. I'm knocking it out early in the AM. Oh, almost dropped it. I just got this corner to do and a couple more holes. Got my little helper out here. Yup, clean up. Oh yeah, you're doing good. Say hi, everybody. Okay, guess she's not feeling it. Whoa! Is that your horsey? Say, whoa. What does a horsey say? Nay. Say it louder. So at this point in the video, yeah, I'm gonna give you like a little update. We didn't get it all done. Well, we did, but we didn't, kind of deal. We were on track. Then we had vehicles get dropped off early. Because people wanted to go out of town and stuff like that. So we're like, okay, cool, not a problem. Go ahead, drop it off here. Speaking of which, I learned that our garage can fit a crew cab, 8-foot bed, dually truck. It's close. Don't get me wrong, it's close, but we can fit it. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this next clip on here is about basically what the idea we're going for and how we designed it all up. Now, granted, it might not be done like instantly and stuff like that because obviously customers take priority. So we didn't want to do anything to where like this truck is getting a ceramic coating, everything like that. We had another vehicle here getting a tint. We didn't want any dust or anything like that. So we stopped where we were, cleaned everything, so that there was nothing going on, nothing going to get into the paint when we coated it and stuff like that. So it is what it is. Yeah, you guys kind of have a rundown of what we're going for. It's going to actually look pretty nice. Hopefully this gave you guys more of an in-depth. I know my last live stream, a lot of people were asking me, they were like, hey, you're young. And I'm like, yes, I am. How are you able to afford these cars? A lot of people question it, stuff like that. I told everybody I work really hard. And I do. And sometimes you really can't believe what people say. So I am going to show you basically what we do here. A lot of people said they wanted to see more videos on like the ceramic coating and paint correction processes and vinyl wrapping processes and all that kind of stuff. So we will. We're going to bring those more to the channel. I also wanted to showcase kind of my construction experience. I did it for 5-6 years, and I did electrical work. And I did stuff with the military. So, yeah. Basically, got all my experience all wrapped up when I was young. That way, when I got, of responsible age, I guess you would say, and put my mind to it, I was able to, get things done and be able to make some money on the side and, yeah, put me in a good position. So, hopefully this gives you guys better insight. I hope you guys stick around for the next video of when we do the rest of the garage update. I'm actually going to be working on it today, yeah. So tomorrow, we're going to be trying to finish everything up. I got to get something about this ceiling because it is an attic up top, but as you can see right here, wood there, not here. So we got to cover this all up, let the heat, try to get more of the heat to stay in here because, the insulation drywall helped, but you want it nice and toasty out here. It gets cold here in the winter. So, yeah. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family. I will see you all next time. Dad Bod Season out.